I would give it a 7 because I don't really taste the tamarind flavor that I was expecting.
That's a she.
No, it's not that. I want to call, but
She's a liar.
Hi guys, I am your girl Theola,
And I'm Andre.
and we are back with another video. But guys, before we continue, we want to say many thanks for all the support that you guys showed us in our last video. It was amazing.
And just in case you missed it, I'm gonna put the link in the description, so go and check it out. All right?
Somewhere on the
Yeah.
screen.
You see this fresh haircut?
We are on our way to the supermarket.
Yeah. So for those who didn't know, like, we're Jamaicans
Wagwan, Jamaica.
living in Alberta, right? And if you know anything
Alberta,
about
Canada.
yeah, so we want to use this video to basically try out some snacks.
Yes, because you know, guys, we back home we enjoy our chippies and we enjoy our bun and cheese and all those stuff. So I basically want to explore what they enjoy.
Hey guys, so we're now in the international aisle, and Tiola found some interesting stuff. We can't pronounce the words, but that's all right. All
Hey,
right, so
what is this? You watch Korean stuff all the time.
that's Japanese. I know that word. That's
Baked?
So we just got back from the supermarket and the international store, and we got a few goodies. So let's get into it. So the first one we're gonna try is a snack.
Let's go with this one. So this one is from Japan.
What is it called?
What is it called, Andre? You're the one that knows.
I know this.
Korean.
It's pronounced dorayaki. Dorayaki.
The English is down here, guys.
Dorayaki.
So it should be interesting. Let's do this. Can't pull it. You pull it now.
No, it's alright.
Pull it.
Human rights, right? Equality. I'm good at that. Do you?
You could not live with your own failure. Where did that bring you? Back to me.
You try. Embrace yourself now. Oh, this looks like pancake. Looks pancakey. See? Looks like pancake. Oh, guys, before I started eating these, I actually wiped them off, disinfect and whatever. So,
Yeah, they were sanitized.
yep, wash our hands properly and everything. Not bad. Honestly, guys, it's not bad. If you like pancake or pastry with jam, it tastes like something with jam. It tastes like pancake with jam.
I like it.
It's pretty good.
It's good.
Just that I won't eat a lot. I wouldn't eat a lot because I'm not really a pancake person.
I would have this
But
daily.
Andre would eat it.
This is pretty good.
This is good. It's fast.
I give this a 10. I like it.
Very good. It passed. You hungry?
Yeah.
Okay, eat up all.
My turn.
Really? You're boring, right?
Candy. We just had a snack, so I want to try this. I've always seen it on TV. So Pocky. I've always seen it in like Korean dramas and stuff like that. But let's do it. Huzzah.
I like it.
It's good.
I like the cream. And the sticks, it tastes like Horlicks. For you guys who know what Horlicks is.
I could have this
These
daily.
snacks are doing pretty good,
pretty good.
so far.
10 out of 10 also. Great.
India. So we're going to try the Casamita. Big one, guys. As you can see.
Sorry.
I'm gonna eat it straight off my hands. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go.
It smells. What does it smell like?
Like spice, like seasoning.
So.
You can go spit it out if that's what you want to do, guys. In my opinion, it's not bad, but it just tastes like MSG. It just tastes like seasoning.
It's not good.
On top of peanuts and rice.
Like.
I'll eat it. It's
Yeah.
not bad. It's an 8. I'll give it an 8.
Really?
It's not bad. Honestly, it's not bad.
I would say 4.
It's not excellent, but it's not bad.
Alright, so I want to try a candy next. And this is from...
Trinidad.
No, this is India.
Oh, India?
Yeah,
Oh,
Ravi is...
Oh, India.
Yeah,
Okay.
Ravi is India.
I hope it's sour. I love sour food.
Yeah, fish?
What? What's this? Is it fish?
It's a fish.
Oh. Okay.
You can bite it.
I'm not liking it. It's spicy, like pepper. It's spicy, guys. Like not sour. It's spicy, like pepper. Like remember Red Hot? Something like that. Just not that hot.
That's not candy.
This is some healthy stuff for you.
Tell the truth.
Elderly population would enjoy. It's spicy. It reminds me of Red Hot.
Is it good?
I would give it a 7 because I don't really taste the tamarind flavor that I was expecting.
That's a... She's...
No, it's not that. I want to cough, but
She's a liar. So this is the 7.
because I need to review the rest. Yeah, guys, it's spicy. It's pepper. Okay, you go ahead. Save me the embarrassment.
So it's the same company,
Yeah.
Eldram, but this one is called Lujia. Chef.
Lujia. Lujia. This is so fun. Like, I'm gonna do this more often, but with food next time.
See?
Like rain down
And this-
on me. I never tried yet.
It's good.
How is it?
It's good.
That don't look convincing. I
No.
don't believe.
It's good, yeah. It's guys.
But I feel like I want to try it again.
It's good. It's good.
Please saying otherwise. Oh,
All right, so
please.
guys, don't mind my face. It's. All right, so.
Andre, you're lying.
All right, so this.
Oh my god, Andre,
You-
lying. They said noodle with spice, y'all.
All right, guys.
Dirty Club. What? What's it called? Oh, sorry.
Naughty Club.
Naughty Club.
Professional opener.
What's it called? But no, what's in it? Peanuts? Okay.
So curled peanuts.
Gonna try it again. You first.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna make you the full part. Now watch you. Now watch you.
It's not bad.
I could eat this, but it takes a minute. It has a slight bitter.
Yeah, it have a bitter aftertaste.
Yeah, it
to
has
be
a
honest.
bitter aftertaste, but
Yeah.
it's not horrible.
I think they coat it with coconut.
I would say yes. 7 for
I'll
me.
give it a 5.
Right?
The bitter aftertaste.
The
got me.
bitterness.
Alright, let's hurry up. Let's move on to something to take out that bitter taste of
Yeah,
it's not bad though. Like it can eat.
it's good, but the bitter.
But it just tastes like healthy. I think we just pick up a lot of healthy snacks. Guys, we think we pick up a lot of healthy snacks today. And candies.
Yeah.
Nope. Exactly. 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 I don't know what you're doing. I'm like,
Is it?
yeah.
Good. Let's do the next one.
Your turn.
I chose this one. We need something. It's cheese.
Guava cheese squares.
It's a candy. Where is this from?
Trinidad. Trinidad. Trinidad.
Okay.
There you go, guys. Trinidad.
All right, I'm back. I had to take a moment.
That one shook you right
Yeah.
up. Shook you right up. You want to do? I'm just asking, like, it's a, nothing to be ashamed of.
Now my head hurts.
Alright. It feels good.
Nadia.
Smells like stale guava. Like when you have guava, something like guava juice or something, and it's not fresh anymore. I see where they're getting at. It's not bad. It tastes like jam. It tastes like guava jam. I don't really taste much cheese. Jeez,
But
not bad.
it's a no for me. I think this is gonna
Tastes
be.
like jam. You can eat it with crackers.
I think this is gonna be my
Yeah.
lowest score.
You can eat that on top of crackers. Like get the water crackers and put one on top, and trust me, it would make a wonderful.
I see what you're
whopping
saying.
one.
My turn.
Yeah, I have a fried dumpling smell. Look at the tell me for do.
No.
So I always. Anyway.
It's just to do this.
I like this. I like this.
This tastes like sugar dumpling.
I like it.
Any Jamaicans watching? It's a sugar dumpling.
Sugar dumpling snack. Taste.
Well, guys, that is it for our International Candy versus Snacks Challenge. But it was really cool to try, right?
I like it.
Yeah. So if you have any other suggestions, just comment below. Let us know what's going on, and then we'll try it.
Yeah. Thank you guys for chilling with us, laughing with us, being crazy with us. Remember to comment below what video you'd like to see us do next. And please do not forget to subscribe.
Yes.
Like, share, please. Peace.
Alright.
What
Thanks
was
again.
that? What was that?
I have no idea. Like, comment,
Hey,
subscribe.
guys.